Hello, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I am going to be unboxing some more Born Pretty polishes. Thank you, Cynthia. I'm excited to do the colors that she sent, they just look super rich and really, you can use them for, I don't know, autumn and winter, probably year round, but anyways, they just scream autumn and winter to me. Along with that, she also sent a builder gel, and I'm excited to try this. I just recently did a video that had builder gel, and I truly believe that you can never have enough builder gel as well as top coats. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started on this, and I'm just going to swatch these so you can see these gorgeous colors. All right, so let's see, there's 6 of these, and these are called the Color Gel Series Caramel Coco, and I think that's a good name for them, just from what I've seen. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open. Okay, and I'm going to get this open as well, so I should probably do that ahead of time. But I try to unbox. I want you guys to see the unboxing, so you know I haven't done anything with them yet. Okay, so this is the build. Look at the size of that bottle. Oh my gosh. Okay, 8 in 1. 8 in 1. All right. Let's see. Cures for 60 seconds. And I'm trying to, okay, so I'm going to have to, I didn't read up on that one, and I should have. So 8 in 1. I'm not sure. Oh, that's, I mean, okay. I'm going to read up on that. I'm wondering if it means like base coat and you can use it as a top coat. We shall see. Okay. Okay, and it always comes with instructions so that you know how long to cure them and how to apply them, how to remove them. Okay, that's how to remove. So you can soak them off with acetone, and what you would do is just scuff them up with a file prior to doing that, just so that you can break that seal and then get in and get that acetone to soak in. And let's see here. I am trying to see. I usually cure these for about 60 seconds. So they look like anywhere from 30 to 120 seconds. So that's that. Okay. I am so excited to do these colors. If you're not familiar with Born Pretty, they have got some of the prettiest gel colors. And their prices are reasonable. I have so many of their jelly colors and cat eyes, which cat eyes and jellies always go so good together, in my opinion. Okay, so let's get these in order. Okay, so the first one is number 1. And I like how they put like the kit name or the series, the Caramel Coco. So we're gonna do, we'll see if we need 1 or 2 coats. Look at how rich that is. So I'll probably just do 4 at a time. Oh my gosh, that's just 1 coat. Look how opaque that is. I'm gonna move this out of the way because I've got to get to my lamp. Okay, I've got stuff everywhere apparently. All right, that's nice. Okay, so I usually try to keep everything in order. Whether or not it turns out that way, we shall see. Okay, this is number 2. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm thinking gingerbread men. Okay, very nice. Number 3. That is so pretty. I'm such a glitter nut. I always go for the glitters. But these are solid and they're just gorgeous. Okay, I'm just gonna do 3 at a time so I don't overcrowd that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure those. I'm gonna do 60 seconds on those. All right, so these are cured. And then we're gonna do, let's see here. This is number 4. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is gorgeous. I have a few clients that are strictly burgundy, just burgundy polish. And this is gorgeous. And I think this is gonna be one of the new favorites. Look at that. Okay, very pretty. And then number 5. Oh, I had one out. Okay, this one looks like a really rich brown. Oh, look at that. It's like chocolate. Oh, okay. These are just screaming gingerbread house, gingerbread men themed nails to me. Oh. And it goes on just really, really nicely. I honestly have nothing negative to say about Born Pretty. Like I said, I use their polishes all the time. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. This one is screaming fall or autumn, however you wish to say it. Okay. I'm going to put that builder gel as well on a tip. It is, so it's an 8-in-1, and you can use it as a base coat, and you can use it to put on your nail extensions. It also is one that helps with your apex, and just it goes well on natural nails just to give them a little extra strength. So it's kind of does it all. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cure these, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put this one on a tip, or should say a swatch. So I'm going to show you what the swatch looks like from the side and the tip, and then I'm going to put this builder gel on and see how much, if it, thickens it up a little bit. I'm sure it will, but anyways, let's cure these and then I'll be right back. Okay, so these are cured. I'm loving that glitter. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Cynthia, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. These are absolutely gorgeous. All right, so the builder gel, let's take a look-see at this. And this one says that you cure it for 60 seconds. So normally you would prep the nails. You would scuff them, dehydrate them, and put primer on. But these are just swatches, so I've cut a few steps out. Okay, so I'm going to put this on. I'm going to hold it upside down for just a few seconds. And the reason I do that is so that gravity takes that polish and brings it down into the center, right in the middle of that. And then it gives you just a little bit more of an apex and strength. Sorry, I'm just looking at the sides. All right, so I'm going to put this in the lamp for 60 seconds. All right, so this one is cured. I'm not sure if you can really see it. I'm going to put one more coat. So with builder gel, you can put as many coats as you wish to build up the strength that you're looking for. I am just looking for a visual. Okay. So again, I'm going to put that upside down just for a few seconds. Let gravity help. I can't get over the size of these bottles. I'm loving it. So these are the gel polishes. And then this came in another kit. This was, I don't know, this wasn't too long ago. But anyways, this is their top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to top coat all these with their top coat. And this is really shiny. And it works really, really well. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the lamp for 60 seconds. All right, so this is done. There is gonna be a tacky layer on top of this. So normally when you put a builder gel on, I mean, you can leave it clear, but just know that it's gonna have a tacky feeling to it and you're gonna have to put a top coat on if you're leaving it clear, or you can go ahead and being it's a base coat and builder gel and apex builder and all that kind of stuff, you can go ahead and put a color on top of this if you wish. And it's just super easy to use, and I'm hoping that you can kind of see the difference. So here's a swatch before putting any of the builder gel on, and the builder gel one is underneath, so, or the bottom one, I guess. Hold on, I'm just trying to, so you can tell it gives it some, it thickens it up a little bit. So just some good stuff to have. So there you have it. The builder gels and the gorgeous polishes. I'm super excited because these are going to get used up. So anyways, again, Cynthia, thank you so much. I love this. This is just one of the prettiest kits that I have received. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will be back again shortly with another one. Cheers.